Wildcats, and welcome back from spring break. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021, and I'm very excited. I am in my very first kindergarten class of the year, and that is Miss Solis's classroom. So I have a bunch of very, very responsible kindergartners who are going to help us with the pledge. At this time, will you all please stand, place your hand on your heart, and face the U.S. flag as we say our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic All right, and now we're going to go ahead and do our pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Didn't they do an awesome job? At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you very much. You may be seated. All right, students, let's go ahead and do our Monday meditation. Go ahead and get as comfortable as you can in your seat. Put your hands on your legs, and then go ahead, close your eyes if you would like to. Go ahead and take in your deep, deep breath. Breathe in through your nose, and release it through your mouth very gently. All right, one more time. Breathe in. And release. And for our very last one, go ahead and breathe in. And focus on all the Monday things that you are going to accomplish today, all the smiles you're going to give, all the good vibes you're going to give your friends and neighbors. And release. Very good. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please let a trusted adult in your life know so that we can help you. Today, on the 22nd of March, there are no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. We do have a couple of quick announcements. We have started our Drop Everything and Read, which is our dear time, which is actually this time right now. So, after the announcements, if you are done with your breakfast, you can go ahead and drop everything and read, and we will be doing that from 7:30 to 8 o'clock. We are so glad to see everyone back. We would like to remind you to continue to wear your mask and that covers your nose and mouth unless you are eating or drinking, that you continue to practice 6 feet apart, and that you continue to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer when necessary. The character education themes for the month of March are respect, courtesy, and gratitude. The quote of the day is as follows: respect others every day. So I want you to think of all the ways that you can respect your friends and neighbors. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. That is right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a wonderful, marvelous Monday.